Simple remedy to treat irritable bowel syndrome. Do you often suffer from irritable bowel syndrome? Doctors don't yet know how to define exactly what causes it, but this ailment so common among us can be treated and eased. We know it is a recurring disease, which affects women most often and sometimes is linked to stress. There are times when we suffer from constipation and then later diarrhea, and so what kind of medication is the most suitable? Clearly we must always follow medical recommendations. But it is also good to include a few natural remedies. In this blog we suggest the following. Natural treatment for irritable bowel syndrome, aloe vera juice with mint. 1. What ingredients will I need? First we want to clarify one detail. Never self-medicate, and never disregard the recommendations that specialists give you. Also keep in mind that the continued use of many medications brings long-term consequences. Problems for the liver, kidneys and in the solution? Take only the necessary drugs and supplement them with daily natural strategies. We invite you to start your treatment with this remedy. 2 large spoonfuls of aloe vera gel, 40 grams or 1. 4 ounces. Peppermint leaves, 15 grams or 0. 5 ounces, if you have mint oil this can also be used. 2. Why will these ingredients help me treat irritable bowel syndrome? Aloe vera. By consuming aloe vera over 10 days straight, it will relieve the inflammation and irritation of the colon. It is one of the few foods that is not transformed into gas when it enters the intestine. Its anti-inflammatory and healing properties are activated. It softens and tones. It stops the contractions caused by pain. It regulates the passing of stool, preventing both constipation and diarrhea. Thanks to aloe vera, the colon can better absorb nutrients. Nor can we overlook the fact that it eliminates harmful bacteria, which can always make us sick. Peppermint. The benefits of mint and its suitable treatment for irritable bowel were published in the Menthol is what helps us, for example, decrease muscle contraction by relaxing the walls of the intestine. In this way it reduces pain, cramps, constipation and diarrhea. The conclusion was clear. Peppermint stands out as the most effective therapy for the symptoms of syndrome. So as you can see, by using aloe vera we will reduce inflammation in the bowel, while using mint will relieve the discomfort and pain. 3. How do I prepare my treatment with aloe vera and peppermint? Drink 2 glasses a day. 1 in the morning on an empty stomach and another after dinner. It is not too complicated to prepare. First heat up 2 glasses of water, 250 milliliters or 8.5 ounces. When it begins to boil, add 40 grams, or 1.4 ounces, of aloe vera gel. Stir it well to make it very diluted, and then afterward, add the peppermint leaves. Instead of mint leaves, you can also use peppermint oil. But in this case we would add it when the mixture is warm but not boiling. If we use the mint leaves, it is to make an infusion. Once these ingredients are well mixed and have cast their essence into the water, remove it from the heat and allow it to cool. Always drink it warm, at room temperature. 1 cup on an empty stomach and another after dinner for 10 days in a row. It is ideal if you also repeat this treatment every month. In this way you will cleanse the colon and strengthen your entire digestive system. A simply wonderful medicinal tonic. Other recommendations to treat irritable bowel syndrome: avoid eating dairy products, high-fat foods or condiments. Avoid carbonated drinks or coffee. Eat small quantities at various times throughout the day. It is better to eat a little at 6 different times, for example. Increase your consumption of fiber and vegetables. It is good to prepare salads with papaya. Prune juice is very medicinal, and so are oats with apple. Flaxseed is also well suited to treat irritable bowel. Chamomile tea or cinnamon tea in the afternoon will also help you feel better. Beet and carrot juice, in addition to being nutritious, work to detoxify and protect our colon. They are perfect to eat at dinner, for example. Avoid or reduce your stressful situations as much as possible. Negative emotions, anxiety or worry can act as triggers of irritable bowel syndrome.